Hey, my name is Michael Dominguez. I'm with Paul Davis Restoration of Broward. I'm the ESD Reconstruction Manager and Estimator for this branch. My favorite part about my job is to meet new customers and to see the facial expressions on the customer's face when the job is done. When they see the before and after pictures, I like to help them out as best as I can and putting their house back together. For fun, I like to hang out with my family, take road trips, go fishing with my son, and pretty much I'm a family man. I like to hang out with my family a lot. I really like everybody I work with here in the company. They all help me out as best as they can. I don't ever have to worry about, picking up the phone and calling one of them at any time I ever need any one of their helps. I'm really looking forward into what the future might bring us.